Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can include D3.js library in your workstation. So right now you can see that I have a folder named D3.js and I only have two files. One is index.html and the other one is main.js. So right now both these files are empty. I don't have anything. Let's put something over here. Let's make this D3.js, and to include the library you need to go to their GitHub page, github.com/d3/d3, and if you go down below you can see this link. You only need to copy this one and paste it before the body tag closes. So this is how it can be done. And in the D3 we use SVG. So what is SVG? SVG is a scalable vector graphic. Whenever you are working with PNG or JPG, those things lose their quality when you zoom the document. So suppose you are seeing an image file which is something called something.jpg, and you zoom the document, so that file will fade, that file will lose the quality. You won't see the pixel perfect version of it once you zoom in. But with SVG you don't have to face this problem. With SVG, meaning scalable vector graphic, the quality does not get lost and you can still work with it. So for that I will write something called SVG, and here I will give it some attributes. So let's give it some height and width. So the width can be 1000 and the height can be 1000 as well. So I'm working with, one thing I forgot to tell you, I'm working with Visual Studio Code. So this is one of the finest code editor out there that you can work on. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, I recommend that you use this one. This is great. But if you are using something else, that's completely fine as well. So I want to show this. For that I have already an extension which is live server. So if you go to extension over here and search for live server, you will get this. You will get the install here. I have already installed it, so there is no install right here. So you need to install this extension. What this does, once you have this, you can actually right click on your document and you will see this open with live server. So once you click this, it will give you this document in the live server. So let's open it in live server. So I have my document. This is D3.js and I want to click right click, then inspect, and here if I click on console, you can see, not console, elements, you can see we have the SVG, and you can see over here, let's force this statement over and active. You can see that the SVG is 100,000. So I don't need this actually. Let's close these two. So you can see in the bottom you can see SVG 1000 times 1000. So if I just change one of these, like 800, and this one is 800 as well, then the page will automatically reload, and now you can see this is 800 by 800. So everything that I will do will be in the SVG. So I will draw some rectangle, so I will draw line, then circle, and everything will be in the SVG.